So I think I'd find a snark on Snark Island, because that's what everyone keeps saying. But so far, there's no sign of it.
Well, I've actually written the book on finding snarks.
In my fridge.
Snark? I don't know.
I found it! The snark!
Snark detector's going crazy over here!
Bellman,
Yep.
whereabouts does this say snark?
Snark?
No, sark. We are in the wrong place.
Oh.
Have we found Steve yet?
Baker, what are you doing here? Come on, we are wasting time.
It said snark.
I know where you could find a snark. You can find a snark at the Vaudeville Theatre in London's West End from the 26th of July to the 2nd of September. Come and see it!